Hey peeps, Sarah here from Sparrow Springs, and we are working on some moon phase watercolor pictures today. So, oops, can you see that? Hello. And a little story time at the end on why I ditched my backdrop. Yay! So let's get started. Okay peeps, thanks for watching. So hit that subscribe button if you like this video, and if you want to know when these prints come out, and if you want a 20% off discount code, get on my email list in the description. Now for the story. I abandoned the backdrop. Yes, it was a comforter. I knew it was bad. We all know it was bad, but this is why. All of this. It's my studio area. And I realize that some of you try to recreate a look like this, but guess what? We get to all appreciate the mess. So, there you go. Some well-intentioned YouTuber had advised me to ditch the backdrop. My husband did actually just buy me a white backdrop. If anything, I'll use it for some like photography stuff, but if I absolutely can't stand my mess, then I will put my backdrop back up. But I no longer have a comforter for a backdrop. So that's the story. Well-intentioned YouTuber, and now it's gone. So, a virtual tour of my studio. Let's see if I can kind of like point things out here. Oh, that's where my husband was sitting. There's like this really vintage egg basket, old Lego bucket, buds full of macrame beads, driftwood wool tree that I made, concrete stuff, all that's my fiber stuff, boxes I saved for shipping. What is that? Oh, that's leather stuff. Yeah, all my leather crafting. There's all my notebooks and sketchbooks and picture frames, random stuff there, and some old wall decor, more fiber stuff. It's a little bit of everything. See, I have this condition where I can't commit to anything. It's fun. It's real fun. Beadwork stuff and sculpture stuff like Sculpey clay all in these drawers. I've got all my sewing stuff, my feathers. I collect a lot of feathers. It's insane. Fiber bins from when I used to spin yarn and dye fiber and everything. Some of you remember that phase, and I haven't given it up just yet. So that's the virtual tour of my new backdrop. So yeah, I'll see you later, peeps.